Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some Sriracha chicken wings with some honey. So here I have 1 pack of chicken wings that I cut and I clean with some lemon juice. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. But remember, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home, okay? Yes. So I'm just gonna start off by just adding just a pinch of salt to my chicken wings. Not a lot, because I know this seasoning already full of so much salt. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil just to keep it nice and moist, at least 2 spoons. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together like so, and I'm just gonna add it to my chicken wings. Okay, I'm not gonna add all of the seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some. I'm gonna leave back some for my sauce, and I'm gonna leave back at least this amount. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my hands, my nice clean hands, and just blend it all together. Just make sure it is all combined. Okay, yeah, I'm telling you, it smells so good already, and it's not even finished. Make sure all the seasoning is all over on your chicken wings, because you want it to be nice and full of flavor. Okay, so don't be scared to take your hand and just rub it all in. And you can always use a gloves. But know me guys, I love to use my bare hands. No gloves around here. So that's perfect. So in my bowl, I've got at least 1/4 cup of my Sriracha sauce. So now I'm just gonna add it to my chicken wings. And you know, the Sriracha sauce, guys, it's a bit spicy. So that's the reason why I'm gonna add the honey to it. Okay? Yeah. Then I'm just gonna take my hands and just mix it all in. And you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 1 hour, or even, you know, overnight. Or trust me, if you cannot wait so long, as I always said, you just cook it as it is, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And trust me, it's still gonna taste good. Yes. So that's done. Lovely. So here I have my tray, and to my tray I add some baking paper at the bottom, and I add a grill, okay, as you can see on top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some water for when my chicken is in the oven, it doesn't dry out. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna take some butter and just rub it all over on my tray, so the chicken doesn't stick all over on the grill. Then I'm gonna add my chicken wings. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 35 minutes. Yes. And 150 degrees Celsius. Make sure you spread it all over. The Sriracha sauce smells so good. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. So that's done. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it look like. And I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. It is nice and golden, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over, okay? Because you want the nether part to brown up as well. So make sure you flip it over. Then I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 10 minutes. Yes, just for now. So as you can see, it is white on the other side. So you're definitely gonna need it to brown up. Yeah. It is nice and moist, so juicy. You know what? I'm gonna use my hand because it's not that hot, because this thing is taking too long. So in the oven it goes for at least 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna add my sauce, all my sauce to my bowl. So here I have at least half cup of my Sriracha sauce. This sauce is super red. And that's my honey, and that's at least just over a quarter cup of honey. And I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce, and that's at least 3 spoons, okay? The barbecue sauce just gonna add more flavor. And I'm just gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning. And I'm gonna also add, guys, 1 spoonful of brown sugar. Yes. And I'm just gonna mix it all in. So this is how you want it, guys. Nice and runny, not too thick. This is perfect. I love adding ginger to my sauce. So I'm gonna add at least half teaspoon of my ginger powder. Cause trust me, see, ginger make your sauce taste super delicious. Yes. So that's done. So on my stove right here, guys, I've got my pot and my stove is on a low heat, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of butter and just allow it to melt. Then I'm gonna add my sauce. Okay, so stay tuned. So after the butter is all melt, now I'm gonna add my sauce, and I'm just gonna allow my sauce just to come to a boil. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 1 minute, no longer than that. Okay. So my sauce has come to a boil. So now I'm gonna turn my stove down, okay, and just put it to the side. Perfect. I'm telling you, it smells amazing. Super, super delicious. I cannot wait for it to go on my wings. My gosh, yummy. So I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it looks like. And guys, I'm telling you, it is super, super delicious. Nice and crispy. I mean, just, you hear that sound? Perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my sauce on it, on my chicken wings. Just brush it all on. So good. I'm telling you, as I said, you guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is so good. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 3 minutes. Okay. Because you know the both side have to coat. See that? Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. So good. So stay tuned, okay? So I just remove my chicken wings, and as you can see, guys, it is nice and sticky, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna quickly flip it over, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 3 minutes, as I said, okay, and 150°C. You know what, this is more quicker. So in the oven it goes. I leave back some sauce. Yeah. So my chicken wings is finally finished. So now I'm gonna plate it all up. So stay tuned, okay? Yes. Super delicious. Don't forget guys to thumbs up the video. So I'm just gonna add my chicken wings on my board right there. Guys, please share this video to all of your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work very hard guys, honestly. My kids sometimes making so many noise and I have to say, please be quiet, I'm doing a video. So please guys, share my video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of your support. Trust me, I really do. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more videos like these, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Yes. Isn't that look amazing? This recipe is a must try. If you do try this recipe, please do not forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I want to hear you guys' feedback. I'm just gonna add some of my remaining sauce on top. Oh my goodness, this is like some food prawn. Delicious, super delicious. So yummy. This sauce is amazing. I love this sauce. Super good. Then I'm gonna add some parsley on top, which is totally optional. Just a bit of parsley, not a lot. Then I'm gonna taste some. You want a bite? Take a bite, guys. Take a bite. Don't worry, you can always make it, okay? Oh my goodness. This is super delicious. You can taste the onion, the ginger, the Sriracha sauce. Guys, this is super good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys. Much love. So good.